Welcome to Money Talk with Alex. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a WhatsApp call link. So where you can have a group discussion if you have people that you want to call using a group meeting, or you are not there physically with them and you want to communicate with a group through a call or video call, you can use WhatsApp link. But please, before we dive right into it, all you need to do is to come to your WhatsApp, click on your calls here. You can see create call links. So just click on it. So we have call type. You can click either video or voice. If you want to make a video or voice, you can just click on it. So this is the link to it. You can send the link via WhatsApp Business. That is, if you want to send the link to people, you can click on this place to copy the link. You can share the link directly. So like this, share link. So you can do it this way, share link to people on Gmail, WhatsApp, and all of that. You can copy the link copied. You can see you can send the link to all your contacts on your WhatsApp. That is that as to how to generate or create a WhatsApp call link. It is very easy because millions, thousands of people can join the voice call or the video call. If you find value in this video, please turn on the notification bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.